this is a really, really exciting development. Clean Air in London has worked with the Green peer, Baroness Jenny Jones, who I've known for over 15 years. And we drafted the Clean Air Bill with our lawyers at Jenny's request, and she and her team reviewed it and approved it. And Jenny has been submitting it as a private member's bill in the House of Lords since 2018. And a couple of years ago it made a top 10 position in the ballot in the House of Lords. But this year it was incredibly exciting. I opened up the web page and it was top of the ballot of private members' bills in the House of Lords. And what that means is that this bill, which would enshrine precisely and explicitly the human right to clean air in UK law, is going to race through the House of Lords. Every private members' bill session, there's one later this week, there'll be another one in September, and then they'll just follow on. Every one of those private members' bill sessions, Jenny's bill will be the only topic of conversation until they decide to move it on to the next subject. And what I'm really excited about is it enshrines this right to clean air precisely and explicitly in UK law. It then shows exactly how that job ought to be done. So what it would mean is that in every decision taken by every public authority, including Transport for London, including the Metro Mayor, Metro Mayors like Sadiq Khan, in every decision they would need to consider clean air in the way that they consider equalities. Now that is incredibly exciting. Overnight we would transform thinking and attention on these sort of issues amongst public authorities. It is so exciting. I can't tell you how much we're looking forward to pushing this through Parliament. There's support across parties. All the parties peers from all the parties have indicated support for this, and of course others in the Commons. But it's incredibly exciting. There's a lot of momentum behind it, and I really hope that this will come into law. Let's not forget that December 2022 is the 70th anniversary of the Great Smog. February next year will be the 10th anniversary of the death of Ella Roberta Adukisi-Debrah, who died aged 9 of asthma caused and worsened by air pollution. And her mother has agreed that the Clean Air Human Rights Bill could be called Ella's Law. And this could come into force before the 70th anniversary of the Great Smog. Certainly, I hope, before the 10th anniversary of Ella's death. This is very exciting, and it wouldn't just address local air pollution at the surface. It would include things like underground tube dust. It would have obligations on the underground network as well to think about clean air and all the decisions that they take. And it would require all public authorities and the government to think about and address climate change. It is the cheapest, quickest, best way to transform action on all these subjects.